Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to install live wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S10 device. So, let me show you how to install. Uh, First, I will show you what it's gonna look like. So, I will lock first my cell phone and then I open this. Boom. You see this live wallpaper? We're going to install that. So, first, I have to open this and then just put your hand on the screen, long press, then go to wallpapers and then just type live wallpaper. Inserts. So these are the free live wallpaper that you can download. All you have to do is just download this. So I wanna make some example. I will choose this. And then just click download. So the files it's long 90 MB, so I'll just cancel it. So I have already downloaded some of live wallpaper, so I want to show you how to install this. Then I'm gonna go back. So these are my live video sample of live wallpaper example. So I wanna click this. I already downloaded it and set as wallpaper. So as you show, there's a lock screen. So after you lock your cell phone, you will see this live wallpaper. So set as wallpaper and then try to lock this, then just like this. So that's the live wallpaper that you will see. So that's it. Hi guys, just subscribe to my channel for any features update. Thank you.